Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WooCommerce Payments, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official WooCommerce website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Install the WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress site if you haven't already. Once installed, activate the plugin from the Plugins menu. After activation, you will be guided through the WooCommerce setup wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure your store's basic settings. When you reach the Payment Options section, choose WooCommerce Payments from the list. Click the Setup button next to WooCommerce Payments. You will be prompted to connect your site to WooCommerce Payments. Log in with your existing WooCommerce account or create a new one if necessary. Fill out the necessary information to create your account, including your business details. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Provide the required banking information for your payouts. Confirm your identity by uploading any necessary documentation. Once you've submitted your application, wait for confirmation from WooCommerce. While you wait, you can continue to customize your store and add products. Once approved, return to the WooCommerce Payments settings to finalize your setup. Activate additional features such as automatic refunds or chargebacks if needed. Save your changes and return to your site's dashboard. Test the payment gateway by making a small purchase to ensure everything works smoothly. Monitor your payment transactions through the WooCommerce Payment. Now, you're all set to start receiving payments through your WooCommerce store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.